Good morning, Monday morning, a little after 8. Been out here this morning, messing around. Still don't have everything put back together. Still finding wet shit. Been a real pain in the ass. Got the wheelbase set on this. It's gonna be cool. I got a set. The guide holder and build a place for some body mounts. That will be decided by the underside of the model. And then I've got to wire up the motor to the guide. Disassemble everything. Clean it all up. And probably paint the chassis. And then we'll get it all together. Once I get a running chassis, I'll run a couple laps with it, make sure it's okay. As you can see, my soldering has improved, as it does with each build. I watch other people solder, and I learn some tricks every time, and I thank those people. Tad and Michael Squire and George and Harry and Dave. They're very helpful guys. I learn a lot. Alright. Till next time. See ya.